of the key learnings that we've had through our programs is that there is talent and opportunity in the country everywhere, but the access to opportunity that young people has is really limited, and that's really what motivated us to begin work in mentorship.
Fundamentally, I think mentoring really becomes a game changer in the way to move from orbit 1 to orbit 2.
Last year, the Government of India, the Ministry of Labour and Employment, put mentoring onto as a layer into the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, which is trying to support the first-time job entrants.
Whom I'm mentoring, I need to understand that person's vulnerabilities, which background the person comes from.
This lack of social capital is one of the biggest hindrances, and that's where we thought that build the capacities of our coaches to provide that right guidance for these career pathways as well.
It's a relationship of trust, and it's a relationship where two people have to both feel valued equally.
Skilling Academy is a digital skilling, employment and mentorship platform focused on empowering youth across India.
It starts from why mentorship matters. How do you sustain mentor motivation? How do you have goal-directed conversations with young people? Curriculum is typically in the form of videos that have been narrated by our own mentors actually. And at the end of each listening, there's a small quiz that checks learning.
When you look back on your mentorship experience or your journey, what were the skills and capacities you felt were very important?
Empathy. Now, empathy in the sense that understanding where they come from, their world.
Trust along with listening capacity.
It needs to be contextual.
4 things that we are working on should be applicable in any part, and so therefore it becomes very quickly replicable and scalable.
For that mission and purpose that we all have, I want to commend the Reliance Foundation and the Skilling Academy specifically for putting it on the agenda and the map, right? That itself signals such intent to all of us, and we look forward to supporting mentorship in many different ways across the country. So thank you very much.
This was a very good platform for a great exchange of ideas.
Learning is an ongoing process, and I'm very happy that Reliance Foundation is taking it forward. Good luck.